Yo, Zerex is in the house, and today we are doing a new video. So, Happy New Year to everyone. This video is going to be really quick because I've got to be up super early tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to. So, yeah. Anyway, we are going to be asking Evie stuff, so, yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Also, my face cam's not on because recently I've had a new laptop and it's all been weird and shit, so Evie says hello, and it's all in cap locks. What am I doing? I am recording a YouTube video. What about you? Question mark. Because if you don't put a question mark, it'll be like, what? No. Oh. Whoa, why are you twitching for? What the fuck? Glitchy. Okay, glitchy. Why are you not good? Question mark. Ah, stop with the hashtags. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, don't worry about it. I hate it when people do that. You know, when somebody's... Stop glitching, you fucking weirdo. Like, you just... When somebody says to you, like, oh, I'm not in a good mood. Wow, what's wrong? No, don't worry about it. It's like, you just wasted... You might as well ask, otherwise what's going to happen to you? What else could we ask you? How is life? Question mark. Same as me, pal. Same as me. Oh dear. Okay, next one. How is your love life? Fuck's sake. Love life. Oh, stop with the hashtags. How's your love life? Go on. I don't have one. I don't have. Why did you speak like with an accent? You know what, Evie? Same here, cause nobody wants to date somebody who looks like a scruff bag. Anyway, so me neither. Want a date? Question mark. No, that isn't answering my question. Why the hell do you want to talk about Slenderman? Slenderman is tall. Why he has no face? That's actually a good question. I don't know. That's a very good question. But yeah, it was. Why he has no face? Question mark. And then you just it wasn't a question. It's just. Sometimes I do question myself why I talk to you. I know what to ask her. What's your favourite food? Come on, surely. Pizza. Strawberries? Pizza! Pizza. All the way. Oh my god! Pizza isn't an anime. I know it's not a fucking anime. Oh my god, are you crazy or what? I've just asked you, what's your favourite food? You say strawberries. I say pizza. And now you're saying pizza as an anime. I know. Oh my god. I know it isn't anime. I didn't. I never did. What are you on about? You crazy bitch. What are you on about? I never said that. And that's what all my friends talk about. That's what they all say about me. I'm using. Should we just change the subject? I know what's fun. Do you like arcades? Question mark. Oh my god. Never mind. I'm not gonna say anything. Huh. No. Tell me. No. 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 I don't want to. What is my secret? My secret is my secret. Boom. I never said that. I never said that, Evie. Hey, I can't even type. I never said that. What are you on about, you crazy woman? Oh my god. No, I fucking didn't. What's your favourite Pokemon? Question mark. Hey, question mark. Pokemon? How the hell can you not like Pokemon? Like, oh my god, you are stupid. I hate. That's what I'm going to put. Yeah, I hate you. What? Read your own fucking. Oh my god. Right. Last question. And if you answer me yes, then I'll end the video. Do you like things? Yeah! Woohoo! Okay. Okay. Oh, I have. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to ZREX, and I'll see you again in another video.